and all the glove rides. I mean, who needs Six Flags, Universal, or Disney when you can go to Glove World? Hey, what's up, internet? Welcome back to my channel. This video is for all of you SpongeBob fans out there. I grew up on SpongeBob and I heard about a certain product that we are checking out today. Right in front of me, we have the Bikini Bottom Box. You can order on the Nick Box website. The theme for this quarter is Glove World, so it looks like we're gonna see a bunch of items related to the iconic theme park from the show. According to the website, you can find 7 to 10 limited edition products in here, valued at over $100 per box. The price for this is $39.99 quarterly if you order an individual one, or you can order the annual plan, which will give you 4 boxes per year at a price of $35.99 per box. So I'm excited to check it out. Without further ado, let's go ahead and see what we have here. Full disclosure, the box got a little damaged during shipping, but rest assured everything's okay. Now this is my very first time ever opening this. I've had the Nick box before, but this is specific to SpongeBob, and so let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have inside. Ooh, I see a little SpongeBob action right there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, I'm excited. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so first off, let's talk about the SpongeBob inside on the box. Like, that's very great. So first off, we have, oh, this is the card that tells you everything that's in here. And it's a Glove World postcard. I have to say, I love theme parks, and there's no theme park I would love to go more than Glove World. And if you're going to Glove World, I think you should start it off with a Glovity Glove puppet. So this is interesting. Oh, there are legs here. Look at that. It's a puppet glove. What did this describe? Yeah, it's a Glovy Glove plush puppet. So I would love to see a theme park and just like a Glovy Glove running around. Like, I think that would be a pretty awesome character. Okay, moving on right along. Let's see what else here. We have a vinyl figure. This right here is a Glove World Patrick vinyl figure. So this is Patrick. It looks like with a glove balloon and all the glove merch. Basically, anyone who goes to Disney with all the Disney merch. Glove World Patrick star. Let's go ahead and let's open it out of this box. And apparently the base connects to previous and future vinyl subscriber exclusive vinyl figures. If you have a bunch of these boxes, it looks like you'll be getting these vinyl figures and they all connect to each other, so that's pretty cool. Putting that right back into the box. They do ask for your shirt size when you order something, and so we're gonna see what it is. This right here is a Glove World Windbreaker. So look at this. It has a Glove World logo, but wait for the back. You got all of the Glove World attractions. Oh my God, this is so awesome. We got the glove drop, the glove boat, the glove Ferris wheel, and all the glove rides. I mean, who needs Six Flags, Universal, or Disney when you can go to Glove World? I love that so much. Put that over here to the side. You know what, actually, better yet, how about we just go ahead and put it on right now? Okay, what else we got? We got a few more items here. We are 3 items in. We have a SpongeBob magnet set. Oh, look at this. This is a magnet set. Let's open it up. We got a couple of magnets in here. This first one is SpongeBob and Patrick on the roller coaster saying, "Look, Ma, no hands." And then we also have a safety sign from Glove World. So this is, this says, "Warning, this ride may cause crying, screaming, projectile vomiting, amnesia, spine loss, embarrassing accidents, uncontrollable gas, and explosive diarrhea," which I can tell you from personal experience is every ride for me, especially Six Flags. We have some socks. These are some Glove World crew socks. Let's go ahead and open this up. We got some Glove World socks. So you have some Glove World love. You have the Glove World balloons. I gotta say, one of my favorite SpongeBob episodes. So we got that. We also have, ooh, I love this. This is a Glove World keychain. So open it up. Spins. Last but not least, this one I'm excited for. I already know which photo I'm gonna put in here. This right here is a Fiery Fist O'Pain picture frame. So you know how you get like those roller coaster photos at theme parks? This is a picture frame for it with SpongeBob and Patrick, but of course you can also put your own 4x6 photos. If you have a good photo from a roller coaster, I think this is exactly what you'll need. That brings us to the end of this unboxing of the SpongeBob Bikini Bottom Box. Now, I have to say, this is pretty cool. Now, I think for $39.99, it's actually pretty interesting and it's a pretty good deal. That also doesn't include shipping, so your price will come out with $39.99 plus shipping. As a big theme park fan, I have a lot of theme park merch, but I don't have any Glove World merch, and so hopefully one day we can make our way to some kind of real life Glove World, especially now that I apparently work there. All right, well, if you want to check out more, you can head over to the nickbox.com, go to the Bikini Bottom Box tab, and order yourself a Bikini Bottom Box. These come every quarter, and so this quarter's theme is Glove World, but you never know what you'll find for the next quarter. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos of fun product unboxings or subscription mystery surprises, be sure to let me know in the comments. And I want to know, would you get this box yourself, and do any of these items sound pretty fun to you? Thank you again for watching. Be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button down below, and I will see you next time on the internet. Explosive diarrhea, which I can tell you from personal experience is every ride for me, especially Six Flags, especially Mr. Toad's Wild Ride when you get to the part where you die and go to hell. So that's pretty cool. Explosive diarrhea, non-stop. Love that. All right.